Let's quickly run through setting the time and aligning the hands on a G Shock GA-400GB. So first things first, we're going to want to make sure that our analog hands are properly calibrated. That way when we set our digital time, our hands will also display the correct time. To do this, we're going to press and hold our adjust button and keep holding it past the first beep. Keep holding it, wait for the second beep. Once we hear that second beep, we'll see sub start flashing. So now we're controlling our little timer sub dial here, and we want this to be pointing straight up at 60 for it to be zeroed, so we can advance it forward by rotating our crown clockwise, or of course backwards with counterclockwise. So I'll adjust that until it's right at 60. Looks about right. Next we're going to want to press mode, and now we'll see 000 start flashing. So this is now our hour and minute hand. And we want this to be pointing directly at 12 to be zeroed. Now I'm pretty far off, so what you can actually do is if you twist it a bunch, eventually the hands will start moving automatically. This watch is a little finicky to get going at times. You got to kind of do it quick. As we can see now, it's going to move automatically. Twist the opposite way to stop it. Now we're at 12, so we can simply press adjust. And now when we set our digital time, our hands will also display the correct time. Now on to setting the digital portion of our watch. So we're going to press and hold adjust, but we're going to let go after the first beep. We'll let go now, and now everything's going to be controlled again by going clockwise or counterclockwise with our little crown here. So our first setting is our time zone, which we can change again forward and back. To enter our next setting, we're going to press mode. Now we can choose daylight savings time off or on. Mode again will bring us to our next setting, which is 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Mode again, and we'll see our seconds start flashing. And this we actually can only zero with our reset button, which is our bottom right button. We can zero just like that. Mode again, and we'll see our time start flashing. So you can actually advance the time quickly by just twisting the crown, and the hours will advance. But what I find to be a lot easier is simply only worry about the minutes here. So it's 20 right now where I'm at. And then if we press mode again, now we can control just the hour. It's a lot quicker. 2 p.m. Now we'll press mode again and we can set our year. 2025. Mode again will allow us to set our date, and this one unfortunately there's no quick way to do it. You just have to twist it quickly and it'll advance a little quicker. This watch really is a little finicky to get going at times though. And now mode again, and we can choose if we want our watch to beep or be muted. And finally, mode will bring us to our last setting, which is our light duration, 1 or 3 seconds. Once we're done with all that, we'll simply press adjust, and now our watch will set itself to the correct time. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope everything was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do check out my channel and consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.